Hello friends, today we will discuss some of the uh, key takeaway from the 30th November World Health Organization COVID-19 data. So I have analyzed top 10 country and India versus global average where India stands. So this article and visualization prepared by me, Sandeep Bua. I have used Microsoft Power BI, MS Excel, IBM SPSS tools to prepare all this visualization, and I have taken data from WHO. So let's have a look where actually total cumulative case in top 10 countries are. So USA is first and India comes second with absolute 93 lakh cases and of course 15.18% share worldwide. So here in the first table you can see the rank first, second, third to 10th. USA, India, Brazil, Russia, France, Spain, UK, Italy, Argentina and Colombia comes under top 10 countries as per the total cumulative case as on 30th November 2020. And rest of the country comes under only 34.53 percentage worldwide. And here also right side you can see the visualization where USA, India, Brazil and Russia top the chart with almost 45 to 48%. As per cumulative case analysis, out of total global COVID-19 cases, top 10 countries contribute almost 65.47% of total COVID-19 cases, while rest countries stood at only 34.53%. India is in second position in terms of absolute COVID-19 positive cumulative cases across the world, while the USA topped in cumulative cases worldwide. India stood at 15.18% in the world for the cumulative positive COVID-19 cases. Here in this visualization we can see uh, where each and every country stood as per the cumulative cases per 1 million population. So for example, every 1 million there are 39,000 cases in the USA, 34,000 cases in Spain and like that. So in India we have 6,806 cases per 1 million population, which comes to 0.68 percentage in terms of percentage. So yes, of course we are at 10th position, which is a little bit good sign in terms of population versus cumulative cases. And right side you can see the visualization which give us the proper picture where the India stands. Here, by looking at per 1 million analysis, I summed up that for cumulative COVID-19 cases, the global average is 7,000 per 1 million population, where India is 6.8 thousand cases per million. From top list, we can interpret that USA is at 39,000 cases per 1 million population, followed by Spain, France, Argentina, Brazil, Italy, Colombia, UK and Russia. Of course, India is 106th position in terms of cumulative COVID-19 cases percentage per 1 million population. Here in these charts, we can easily derive what is the death ratio out of total cumulative cases. So for example, global cases are 14 lakh of death and percentage of death is 2.34% out of total positive reported cumulative cases. Like in India, we have so far 1.36 lakh death out of total cases 93.92 lakh. So in terms of percentage, it derives up to 1.46, and you can easily visualize the all the data in a right hand side picture. So as I told you earlier, while I am checking death cases across the world, I can interpret that India is in third position in terms of cumulative death due to COVID-19 after USA and Brazil. India stood at 1.46% for cumulative death due to COVID-19 as on 30th November 2020, while the global average is 2.34. UK and Italy are at the highest death ratio with 3.62% and 3.47% respectively. Thank you.